I'm going to guide you on how to change name on Gmail. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Now to get started, open your Gmail app. Then go to your profile icon on your top right corner, tap on it. Then go to manage your Google account. Then go to personal info. Then scroll down a little bit. Then you are going to see name, so tap on it. Then now you can tap on name. Then here is where you can change your name of Gmail account. So I'm going to change my first name, then surname. Then once you change your name, just tap on save. Then the name has been changed. So that's simply it. That's how you can change name on your Gmail account. So if you have found this useful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.